Less than 95, number 4. Started reading it, and it looks like exponential decay, so I got out my formula. And then it says, in another room, there were also 600, but they decreased exponentially. So I think my starting number at time 0 is 600. After
it says increase.
They decreased exponentially?
Oh, I'm going to get 3.
Oh, other people do that besides me? Other people get the scrambled thing? Did you want to see number 4, though?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're kind of the same problem, aren't they? So it doesn't matter. You can use the same formula for exponential decay and growth. It's just that K will be, I think, a negative little fraction or whatever if it decreases. So anyway, I got 600 in for my starting amount. And then they decreased exponentially. After 60 minutes, they had decreased in number to only 580. So I'm going to say after 60 minutes, so I'm putting in 60 for T. Then this is how much was left, 580. And then it wants to know what was the half-life of the creatures. Well, before I can really answer their questions, I need to know what K is, I think. So let's go ahead and find K. So we're just going to use algebra to get K by itself. So divide by 600. This is just going to be some little decimal. I guess I can try to find out what it is. 580 divided by, what's kind of, divided by 60. It's like 0.96666 or something like that. 0.96, I think.
Yeah. And
then that's times e to the, I'm going to say 60k, because k times 60, 60k. And then now what do I do?
We have to get rid of the e, right?
Yeah.
So can we natural log it?
Yeah, good idea. So ln or natural log both sides. And then that helps us use that exponent rule that you can take this down out front, and it kind of gets my 60k down here, and ln e is 1, so the ln e goes away. And then I have ln of 0.96 repeating, divided by 60. I'll just put all that in my calculator. I think I've already got the ln of 0.96 in my calculator. So now, see, I've already got that thing in my calculator, so I'll just divide it by 60. And it's going to be a little decimal thingy. And so I'm a little bit surprised that it's not negative, but
it is.
Oh, it is negative?
I think you just put the ln. I saw you just have 0.96 about it.
Oh, okay, yes, thank you. ln, thank you. 0.96, that number. Oh, you're right, divided by 60. Oh, now I got a horrible looking thing. I got scientific notation on mine. I got I'm going to have to fix this up. It actually has got times 10 to the negative 4, so I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be, it's going to be 0.000565-ish. That's going to be K. I'm going to check and see how your book rounds it. They actually round it all the way to, what? 00851. What?
Wait a minute.
I'm on the wrong. Is this problem set 95?
Yes, number 4.
Number 4. Wow. They got it. They got 00056503565. 503. So I just want to round it to enough places so that it's going to end up matching. That's why I did that. So I think that I'm going to just say K is negative 0.0005653. I'll probably try to leave it in my calculator, but it's probably not going to end up staying in there. So there's K. And so now I want to start back and find the half-life. So the half-life is pretty much, like, remember how we started out with 600? The half-life would be the time that it takes for there to only be 300 left. So I could just plug a 300 here, and divide both sides by 600, but then aren't I just gonna get a 0.5 over here?
Yeah.
I always do on half-life. So, I mean, I'm just saying, if you wanna take a little shortcut, you don't have to
Basically put 0.5 on.
put 0.5 over here and don't put your starting number over here. And then you can just go, I mean, if that's confusing though, just take your starting number and put half of it over there and do the algebra, because at least you know how to.
I get it.
Yeah, and then E times K, but we've got this number for K now, negative point.
Okay.
Times, no, we don't know how long, so it's gonna be T.
Oh, okay.
See, it's because it's asking how long is the half-life, like, or how many years until there's only half left.
Alright.
So now we're solving for T. So that's easy enough. We're gonna ln both sides, or natural log both sides. Ln of 0.5. Oh good, I'm recording this too. And then ln of E, well that's all gonna come down and it's gonna be negative 0.0005053 times T, and then we're gonna divide. And then, I don't know what that's gonna be. You guys will probably get it faster than me, because I'm not that fast on my calculator, especially since I'm still writing it. Let's see, ln 0.5 divided by answer. That didn't work. Okay, so ln 0.5 divided by negative 0.0005653. I got that number. I don't know.
Yeah.
Is that a good number? Let's see if the book likes that number. That was number 4. Yeah, they said 1,226.75. And well, so mine doesn't round exactly to 75 because it's got 44, but you can just make it round like the book so that 26.75. Were they minutes in the beginning? Okay, minutes. That was nice.